Namaste. Good morning, class 8. We have exercised the duty of a citizen and many questions have been discussed already. Now I have written one more answer for D. What is nationality and how we can enhance it? Nationality refers to the feeling of love and admiration to the nation. We can enhance it by preserving all the culture, people, languages, religions, races, etc. of our country. We every citizens should be unite and be ready to preserve our territory of our country. We should be ready to sacrifice anything to develop our country and our people. So this is the exact answer for D, and other questions are there. E number, why should we obey the rules made by the state? Listen carefully, I give answer to some questions orally. You can play my video again and again and you can understand, you can write. So listen carefully. E number, why should we obey rules made by the state? We should obey the rules made by the states to create peace and harmony in the society, to give chance to all the people to enjoy with their rights and facilities granted by the state, to create easy environment for the development in the country, to help the government to run the country easily and smoothly. So these are the reasons we have to follow the rules. If people do not follow the rules, there will be disorder in the society, there will be conflict in the society, and different activities, different development work that are done by the government will be stopped. They will not move ahead. Now F number, why should we participate in the activities of national well-being? To develop our nation, we should participate in the activities of national well-being to develop our nation, to make our nation famous in all over the world, to establish peace and prosperity in the society, to make the life of the people luxurious and happy. G, list the duty and responsibilities of a citizen. 6 duties and responsibilities are written there. You should write this. 6 duties are there written in our book, point wise. You have to write this in G number. Then yes, why does the state formulate laws? A state formulate laws to run the nation smoothly, to provide rights and opportunities for all the people, to do different development works, to establish peace and security in the society. H number is that. I number, what are the advantages of following laws? And yes, J number, how can we make the state strong? So I number again I will say you. what are the advantages of following the laws? The advantage of following the laws are every individual can get their right. There will be peace and security in the society. Every individual can get opportunities in every activities conducted by the nation. Criminals and crime should be kicked out from the society. People can live their life happily, peacefully in the society, and the nation will be strong. Nation also will be strong, and every activities, every development activities can be done easily by the government. So these are the advantages of following the laws. And J number, how can we make this state strong? I'll write this again. How can we make the state strong? You write this, and I write last number now. J 4. How can we make the state strong? We can make the state strong by the following ways. Point wise I will write that. Any way you can write point wise or in paragraph, in your own language, in your own method you can write this, but I write point wise. We can make the state strong by the following ways. We have to preserve all the caste religions, races of the people we can or we should love and admire our nation we have to sacrifice anything for the well-being of our nation and the people sacrifice F-I-C-E, sorry. Sacrifice. F-I-S-C-R-I, sorry. S-C-R-I-F-I-C-E. We have to sacrifice anything for the well-being of our nation and the people. We should establish mutual understanding. We should establish mutual understanding, mutual cooperation, mutual respect. We should establish mutual understanding, mutual cooperation, mutual respect among all the people of our nation. We should involve in the development activities. We should involve in the development activities of our nation. We should involve in the development activities of our nation. Races of the people and territory. T-E-R-R-I-O, territory. T-O-R-Y, territory of the nation. Races of the people language language. So this is the right answer for J number, and some activities are left there. I will discuss about these activities tomorrow in my next video. Some activities you can read and you can perform yourselves, but I think when school will reopen, then these activities are possible to perform in our class, in our group. Even though I will discuss about some of the activities